Presenting the 2006 Pontiac Torrent. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are daytime running lights, passenger vanity mirror, pass-through rear seat, bucket seats, child safety locks, intermittent wipers, adjustable steering wheel, rear defrost, and front disc rear drum brakes. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.